The pride of Austin, Minnesota. We got Spam here.
That's right, the same canned meat that helped soldiers in World War II fight against the Nazis is also going to help us go camping.
The beauty of it is its shelf stableness, so you can travel with it no matter how far into the woods you're going. We are doing our final night of camping, and so we're doing something super easy that does not require having ingredients that had to be cooled over a long period of time. This is great if you are doing a multi-day trip and you don't have ingredients that require refrigeration. They're shelf stable. You got onions, potatoes. I'm using jalapeno here. My one complaint, it's not a complaint, but it has a very soft texture. To make it tasty, I think it's important to get really good sear on it. So I'm going to cut it into cubes and we're gonna fry it up like bacon lardon. I got my trusty camping knife, and what I want to do is cut it into small cubes. We'll get the fire started so that gets going. While that's happening, we can then start preparing the other ingredients. And once the fire is ready, we want to sear these cubes so that it develops a caramelization and a nice texture, and that's going to add flavor. The fire is still getting hot, so we're going to transfer these cubes of Spam aside while we start prepping the other ingredients. So we are now going to cube the potatoes, add our onions, we are going to get this pan hot, and once it is, we're going to start sizzling our Spam. A couple of handy items for camping. I love these bottles because they're really leak proof, and I can carry my cooking oil in my pack, and also this camping knife. These two items are super handy. Alright, pan is hot, so let's add the oil. Alright, the oil is hot, and so now we're going to go in with our cubes of Spam. As I said earlier, the thing about Spam is getting the texture. So straight out of the can, it's kind of soft and mushy. And what we want to do is sear it, crisp it up a little bit, and that's going to add a lot more nice flavor to it. So I am going to remove the Spam from the pot. We're going to set that aside while we start cooking the other ingredients. Alright, I'm going to heat up just a little bit more oil. So we are going to saute the onions. If you want to add a little bit of heat, this really travels well because you don't need to refrigerate it. I have a large jalapeno, but of course use the pepper of your choice. Alright, we're just sweating the onions, and once they get a little bit softer, we'll add the potatoes, and we're going to start cooking those. The onions are now aromatic, fragrant, and they've been sweated. I'm going to add our cubed up potatoes. And just to help the potatoes cook, we're going to add a little bit of water and then cover the pot. Alright, camping is all about packing as light as you can. When you're cooking, you don't want to be carrying around multiple bottles or containers of different spices. And so I recommend you pick your personal favorite of an all-purpose spice that includes salt. And so mine is Sada Rains. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but they're Creole seasoning. It's got all the key ingredients you need: a little bit of heat, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of salt. It really punches up the flavor of the food, and all you had to do is just have this one container instead of packing multiple spices.
Are you warm?
While the liquid is cooking down for the potatoes, I want to add my spice mix in because I want the potatoes to absorb some of that flavor. I'm going to let the liquid cook down with the top off. After that, we're going to start adding the other ingredients. Simmer down a little bit, and I want to take one of your thicker potato cubes and see if it is cooked through, and also does it need a little bit more seasoning. We're going to follow through with the rest of the ingredients, cook the jalapenos down a little bit, and in with the Spam lardons. We're going to let this cook down a little bit. We want the bottom to slightly crisp up. The bottom looks a little bit burnt. That's actually what we want. Give this a couple of minutes and it should be ready. All right.
Hash is a type of food that won't win any social media beauty awards, but a warm, comforting bowl really hits the spot.
My mouth is burning right now. What are we doing? Oh. Hey! Hello everyone! Pride of Minnesota. Spam, spam, spam.